escape sequence. A character that followed by a backslash is the escape sequence. Backslash is the escape character, and a literal or a alphabet that follows the backslash is the escape sequence, and we can also call it as backslash character constant. So now let's discuss about the programs, and we'll discuss about the escape sequences in the program. So we have the hash include preprocessor, which includes the header files. Then we have the main. This is where the program starts its execution. So we have we have clear screen. Clears the console output. And next we have printf, and in double quotes we have a backslash n. Backslash n makes the cursor move to the new line. So this escape sequence brings the cursor to the new line, and it prints AB. So backslash n AB, it prints AB in a new line, and the cursor waits here. And next, what I have given is printf backslash b c I. Backslash b represents backspace. So the character which is being printed finally will be deleted. So A will be there and B will be removed using backslash b, and the characters C and I are printed. C, I, and the cursor stands here. And we have the next statement, printf backslash R HA. Backslash R is carriage return. This moves the cursor from the end to the beginning. It moves the cursor from the end to the beginning, and it prints H and A. So since A and C are there, these are replaced by the characters H and A. So H and A. And after printing, the cursor moves to the next line, since it sees the backslash n here, and here we have given two backslashes. This is used to print a single backslash in the console output screen. And the next statement, we have again given a backslash n, so the cursor moves to the next line, and at the next line we have given an escape sequence called backslash question mark, and this question mark this is used to print the question mark in the console output. So this prints the question mark in the console output screen, and again the cursor moves to the next line. In the next line we have given printf. In the double quotes we have given a backslash double quotes. So the double quote, it is used to print the double quotes. So double quotes is printed, and I have given India. The word India is printed, and again I have given backslash double quotes. So backslash double quotes will be printed, and the next escape sequence I have given is backslash T. Backslash T stands for tab space. So it leaves a tab space and moves a little, spaces around 8 spaces it moves, and it starts with the next line. Printf backslash single quotes I have given. So this is used to print a single quotes. So it will print a single quotes, then it will print the characters or the word India here. And again I have given backslash single quotes. So again the single quotes will be printed, and since I have given a backslash n, the cursor will come to the next line and at the starting point. So this is how the program works. There are still more backslash character constants or the escape sequences. We have backslash a, it gives a beep sound, and we have a backslash f, backslash v. This backslash f is form feed, and backslash v is vertical tab, and these two works fine in the dot matrix printer. Thank you.